Alright, so welcome back. And in this section, we will be working on again on three things. The first will be the game over section. Second would be the Santa image, which we will be adding on the cards here. And the third thing would be the correct and incorrect styling. So let's see how are we going to do that. So the game over section, it would be pretty straightforward, as what do we want here is we would like to see I won't be wasting too much time in styling, but let me just copy and paste the same thing. It's really straightforward, so this thing is self-explanatory. So okay, so we will need this game over style, and I can get the same thing from my previously completed section. And this is, I am copying the style, and oops, okay, so here is the style. Perfect. Okay, game over. Let us try game over. How are we gonna do that? Let me manually change it to 10 and see. Oh shit, I won. Okay, so 3, I'm supposed to select anything other from 0, and this, oh, I'm not setting up the game over. Alright, so where am I supposed to set up game over? It's when I reduce the point. So when I reduce the point, I'm supposed to set it to game over to true. Okay, so here if I see if new points equals to 0, what I'm supposed to do is set game over to true and return. I don't want it to go beyond this. So set right choice and everything will just go away. Okay, let's see how it works. Perfect, this works as expected. We do not have the restart setup yet, so how are we gonna do that? Let's even do that. Okay, so by restarting the game, what you will do is set total points to 100 and set game over to false. I think this should work. And there will be one more point. We will need to have a random number. So, okay, random number is supposed to be called as well. So at this point, where's game over? It's at here. Perfect. I think this should work. And game over, restart, working as expected, but something changed. Okay, let's see. 0. Oh, it went to 100. That's why. Let me just change it to 10 again. And okay, it was 2, 1, and 3. It was called twice, and it was called twice because of this component did mount. So I think if we don't call this should be okay. And let us just give it a try. Restart 2, and it just called it once. 0, perfect, it worked. 1, okay. 0, game over. It was alright. It looks perfect. So let's go to the next one, and we will get the Santa card. And let me just grab the card, and I already have the background for it. So the Santa card is supposed to go here in the front. In the card styling, and me make this thing a bit bigger. Okay, so this is the back and this is the front. So it's supposed to go here in the styling, and we will just have it as a background. So front styling, front. Okay, top front. Background is this one. Height. We will need to do some positioning. And let me copy and paste the positioning as well, and this looks not bad. Okay, this looks good, not bad. Perfect. And the third thing will be about the incorrect and correct styling. So we want incorrect as red and correct as green, so that is also really straightforward, and that we will do in the app. And we can add another span, and this is one span, another span. I don't know why I keep writing spam. Okay, so this should work, and in the span I can give it the style. Color green. Perfect. And here style color red. Perfect. Okay, this is incorrect, and do this should game over. It's fifth index. It's supposed to be, I guess, this one. No, 2 is this, I know that. Okay, so correct is perfect. 5 is this one. Incorrect. Shit. Okay, 5 is this one again. Alright, so this works as expected, which is perfect. Alright, so in the next video we will we'll just change this, like make it look a little bit more stylish and remove some extra stuff like this. And there is one really exciting thing I want to show you, and that will be kind of a bonus part. So stay tuned for that bonus part, but see you in the next video. Alright, bye bye, take care.